is a tutorial on how to request featured. Access the Magnus job fair system and open the Project Requests menu. Choose Featured from the Create New Request, and a pop box for featured request will appear. There are 5 fixed job titles included. If you need additional titles, please inform your handler. Next, indicate your estimated start date of activation. Take note that the date will vary depending on how fast you submit your signed quotation, and the handler will start processing and generating a code for your request. Lastly, input the duration of your request based on the number of days. Click Submit and a pop-up window will appear to confirm. Then click OK. You will find your request under the Project Request project list. You may click View Details to check the details of your request. Once submitted, the handler will receive an alert of your request and accept it. You will see the stage under Request Status. Status will change to On Process when an assigned handler has accepted your request. Our Magnus handler will contact you to discuss your request, and once agreed, handler will prepare and submit the quotation. Click and download the quotation. Next, accomplish the details needed, sign and save it in PDF format, and upload it back to the system. Once the signed quotation is submitted, the project status will be waiting for activation. Your handler will activate it, and you are now ready to post your job vacancies using the Featured Company menu. While waiting for the activation, you can now start uploading job vacancies at the Featured Company section. And that's all you need to do to request featured. Got any questions? Let me help you. Feel free to contact us.
Basta job fair, Magnus Eventos yan!